here we are in my little tent. I'm completely blinded. I don't know what I'm looking at, but this is maybe a good time to explain to you my sleeping routine because I'm actually applying it here right now. I'm lying on my R3 Thermarest mattress, and this is the same mattress I would use all year. And then I'm testing the Decathlon Makalu 3 sleeping bag, which is like rated to minus 12 degrees Celsius. And right now it is snowing outside because I'm in the Cairngorms and this is February. And the sleeping routine I follow is I have my mattress blown up, I have my sleeping bag laid out, and then I have this pillowcase. So I like to bring a pillowcase from home. And what I do next is I take all of my dry clothing, like my warm layers, like my puffy jackets, the stuff that I'm wearing, and I stuff it into the pillowcase. And then this is my pillow. Done. Nice and easy. Next thing, I'm gonna take on my thermal layers, which is like thermal pants, thermal shirts, and this together with a hat is all that I will be wearing. You want to wear as little as you possibly can because a sleeping bag is an insulator. It is not something that creates heat. So if you are not creating heat yourself, the sleeping bag will not make you warm. That is not the way it works. So a manufacturer can try as hard as they can. If your body is not creating the temperature, you will not be warm. So you want to get into your sleeping bag nice and warm. You want to be fed. You want to be hydrated. Definitely have that pee before you go, because the second you're in your sleeping bag, like your body will want to pee. As soon as you get cold, your body wants to like eject. So pee, have food, drink, make sure you're warm before you're getting into your sleeping bag in the first place, and then that should be fine. So sleeping bag, liner, thermal layers, hat on my bald head, and this should keep me warm.